Okay, so in your ISN page, I want you to write down these notes with me. This problem is a little different because you need to distribute and combine like terms before you can start solving. So if I look at this equation, I'm still going to split it into two expressions, the left hand and right hand. You can see the left hand, there's nothing to distribute or combine, so that's good. But on the right hand, I'm going to have to distribute and combine like terms. So first, I'm going to distribute this -4. And that's going to give me -4 times 1 is -4. And -4 times -7 is positive 28r. And I'm just going to bring down the -2r. And now I ask myself, are there any like terms? And there are. I've got -2r and positive 28r. 28r, I take away 2r. Those combine these two to get 26r take away 4. And that still equals -160. And now I'm just going to solve by using opposites. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add 4 to both sides of the equation. -160 plus 4 is -156 equals 26r because I eliminated these. Now I've got to divide both sides by 26. So I do -156, divide that by 26. It's going to go in, let's see here, 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. And 3 times 6 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Subtract, I get 0. And I'm doing a negative divided by a positive, so it's -6 equals r. So there's my solution. So to verify this, I'm just going to rewrite the exact same equation. -160 equals -2r minus 4, parentheses 1 minus 7r. So again, I've just copied the original equation, and then I'm going to substitute, just like I do every time I verify. So -160 equals -2 times r is -6, minus 4 parentheses 1 minus 7 times r again is -6. And I'm going to evaluate this following the order of operations. So parentheses first, exponent second, multiplication, division, and lastly addition, subtraction. So I'll do the parentheses first. 7 times -6 is -42. I've got a minus and negative, so I can change that to plus a positive. It gives me 43. And I'll just bring the rest of this stuff down. Minus the 4, -2 times the -6. I'll do this multiplication first. I get 12 minus, I do this multiplication, 4 times 43 is 172. And then I do 12, take away 172 is -160, which is what it's supposed to equal. So I'm correct. R is -6. So that's the first section of notes.